If you love finches but wish their colors were brighter, stick around. We're diving into the secret diet that brings out their best red plumage. All right, bird enthusiasts, to get those dazzling red feathers, your finches need a diet rich in carotenoids. These are natural pigments found in certain foods. Start with red and orange fruits and veggies like bell peppers, carrots, and sweet potatoes. Add some leafy greens for a balanced mix. But don't stop there. Include specialized bird seeds and pellets that are fortified with vitamins and minerals. And remember, variety is key. Rotate their food choices to keep it interesting and nutritious. With the right diet, your finches will be the talk of the aviary. So give it a try and watch those colors pop. Happy feeding.